Check this out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm lost. Oil mixed with oil. All right, let's try it. First bite. Ready? This is what I've been waiting for. All right, first look at Chongqing right here. Kind of crazy I'm here, honestly. I see it online everywhere. And the fact that I finally made it here is just... hasn't hit yet. But right now I'm headed to the famous building that looks like the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. It's called the Raffles City building. I could also take the metro here, but I think I'm gonna walk for now just to explore the city a little bit. But if I want to go somewhere far, I'm definitely gonna take the metro. So I am glad I came to China before, so I have all my WeChat, Alipay, VPN all set up, so I don't have to worry about that. But when I first came here to China, that was such a pain in the ass to set up. Also super excited to try the hot pot here. You know, Chongqing is known for its hot pot and spicy food. This is the building. Not too sure what's inside, a mall maybe? I don't know, we're gonna check it out though. Now we are right under it. Crazy, this really looks like the Marina Bay Sands. Okay, so I ended up in the Raffles building. I think it is a little mall area. So I'm not too sure, but hopefully, I think if I keep on walking, maybe go down under more, it'll pop me out at that viewpoint on the bay looking up at the Raffles building. Here we are at the square, and then you look up and there it is. Let me get a better view though. Wow, this looks insane on camera. Look at it change colors. I guess around 8 p.m. they turn on all the lights because look at this. I was wondering why it's so dark and all the lights are off, but then it just turned on. It got so bright around me. Check this out. I never realized too, Chongqing has like a lot of bridges. There's 1, 2 right there, and there's one over there, and then there's like another behind me, and they're all like light up bridges. Finally getting to eat. Check this out. We got some lamb skewers, some soup, noodle soup. I also got some rice. I'm actually here with someone. She's showing me around, getting some food, so it's very nice of her. All right guys, we're gonna try this lamb. Yeah, I just got my food. Check it out. Pork, egg, some veggies, and rice. Check this out. It's like a beef burger type thing, but flaky. I'm so full though. I actually just killed this whole bowl. Pretty good. So now we're in the train station. Pretty similar to Shenzhen train station. You just scan your code on Alipay and get through it right here. China train station, subway stations, absolutely clean, not one piece of trash on the ground. So this is the metro. Apparently you can't eat or drink, but they don't give a fuck. Look at this. She don't care. We're at this like super touristy spot with like a bunch of steps, old looking ancient stuff. It looks old here, very beautiful though, and then you got a Dairy Queen over there. Look at this. These buildings are next level here. Check this out. Look at that one. So here we are at the famous spot. You've probably seen this all over social media. Like I have. Looks like you're on ground floor, right? All the high rises here, streets over there. But when you walk over here, 22nd floor, right? Says it right there. Yeah, I don't know, my mind just can't wrap around how this city works. You think you're on the ground floor, but no, you come over here and you're not. It's really crazy that I'm here right now. I've seen this all over like TikTok, YouTube, and to be in the exact spot I've seen so many videos is absolutely just insane to me. Day 2 here in Chongqing. Today I'm gonna be headed to like this little mall area. that looks crazy. I'll pop a picture up here. I've seen it on TikTok, but let's look at this view again. Absolutely insane. Just wow. It did rain a little bit, actually a lot actually this morning, and it just stopped, so that's why I'm going out right now. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see like the river water, it's kind of risen a little bit, but wow, this view is crazy. I can't get over these hotels here in China. They're just absolutely next level, but let me get out this hotel. So I just realized one of the activities I want to do here in Chongqing is this sky deck. And it's actually in my hotel. Look at it, lined up right here. So I will be doing that since it's in my hotel. That's so convenient. This is also the hotel I'm staying in. One thing I do dislike about it, I'm staying on the 64th floor. And then I gotta take the elevator up to the 47th floor, transfer to a different elevator to the 64th floor. It's like, bro, what? The weather right now is great. It's not humid at all, maybe because it just rained or something, but not humid at all. Crispy air. Look at that dude popping out the building. Made it back to the city center. As you can tell, it's over there, but I think it's just inside over there, the little mall area I was talking about. I'm not gonna lie, I'm lost. I've been walking around for like 20 minutes trying to find it, but I cannot find the place. All right, so apparently Google Maps did me dirty, and this place is not even anywhere close to where I'm at. It's actually 30 minutes away. Don't use Google Maps in China. Use a map instead. Well, that's pretty disappointing, not gonna lie, but can't blame anyone else but myself. So apparently at night, this place lights up like crazy with neon lights. You can see all the signs right here. All right, back at the hotel, sun has officially set. As you can see, insane views, but I'm gonna go to that observation deck. Since it's literally in my hotel, I gotta go down to the first floor, buy some tickets, and then come back up to the 67th floor. Check out my hotel lobby though. It has insane views just right over here. Went down and got the ticket. It's about 68 RMB, which comes out to around 10 USD, but I think I'm gonna wait a bit to go up because it's literally only like 3 floors above me and all the lights aren't really turned on yet. I think they turn on around 8. It's about 7:20 right now, so I'm gonna wait a little bit before I go up. I guess this is like, you go in right here, and then you get this whole place.
You are a vlogger?
Yes.
Oh, you are a vlog?
No, just for fun.
Oh, just for fun. Mango is bigger for our...
It's a bit cold. Yeah, that's it though. Made it halfway up, check this out. Bro. And the lights aren't even all on yet. A few more minutes should be on. Made it to the top, it's like a helipad. H. Look at this. I think I came on the perfect day, right after it rained. You get a full 360 view of the city. And this honestly might be like, I don't know, one of the highest points around the whole city. It looks like one of the tallest buildings. That is freaking high though, wow. Any second, these lights about to turn on. Might be the craziest views ever. You can also take pictures, people lining up. Those buildings right there, looks like the Petronas Towers at Kuala Lumpur. Look at this view. It's quite scary, I'm not gonna lie, like my legs were shaking. Sheesh. Alright, I'm out of here. Now I'm at the train station, about to go get some hot pot, baby. So I'm super excited to try this hot pot, but I know I'm not gonna put any high expectations for it because I heard it's super oily, maybe a little too spicy, but I'm gonna go in it with the medium mindset, you know, like trying new things. If I like it, good. If I don't, that's okay. But I'm always excited to try like the popular food in the city. Chongqing is known for its hot pot. So I think I'm here, I'm not too sure. I'm coming here with somebody. So what is it, spicy?
It's spicy, not spicy.
Look at this place. And the menu is all in Chinese. So yeah, I was right about the hot pot looking very oily. Look at this. Probably like crazy unhealthy, but who cares about health right now? We got all the meats here. So this is oil. Or more oil adding to it. It's a lot of freaking oil though. Just douse my shit in a whole cup of oil in there.
That one's beef and this one's pork.
That's pork?
Just put everything.
That looks fire. I'm excited for that. Thank you.
All those oil.
Oil mixed with oil. Alright, let's try it. First bite. Ready? It's very oily, but it's good. It's not that spicy though. Like at all. Taking out the oil. Dump it in more oil. Finished the hot pot. It was pretty good, but I feel like I'm gonna feel like crap tomorrow, honestly. Just super oily. It was flavorful though, don't get me wrong. But now I'm here with these people. They want to get like some other food. Wait, so what is this called right here?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Very spicy, very spicy. 要更辣一点的。
She said it's international.
Sweet potato noodle sheet.
OK 了。不是面条的意思，
谢谢。
啥意思啊
OK。还有这个小的啊，
一样的。
掉出来了。来，这个。
So here you get these markets on the streets where they serve food, and it is 12 a.m. Pretty late, but a lot of people out. Day 3 here in Chongqing. I just got a fresh cut to start off the day. The translation with this barbershop lady was actually so tough. Just had to show pictures and stuff. Like 35 RMB, which came out to this much USD. But now I'm headed to the actual mall area that I was supposed to go to yesterday, but it was in the wrong spot. So now I'm actually headed there for real. Finally made it after like an hour and a half on the train. I honestly took the wrong way, so I didn't realize that until like 5 stops later. So I had to hop back on the other line. So it ended up taking longer, but we're here. Check it out. I'm actually super excited to see this. I've been seeing it all over social media. Everything I see in Chongqing, I see on social media first. So a lot of people say it resembles Singapore's Changi Airport, and honestly, I could see it. You got stores lined up on the sides, and then in the middle is like the little foresty area. And yeah, I could actually really see it as someone who's been to both. Check this out right here. This is what I've been waiting for. That's insane. Wow. So it's free to walk in this area, but I think if you go down to like the jungle area, you have to pay. Check it out from this view. All right, well, since I'm here in the mall and I haven't eaten yet, it's already like 4 p.m. I think I'm probably just gonna find some food here. And it's also Saturday, so tonight around like 9 p.m. they usually do like a drone show where I'm staying in the bridge area, so definitely gonna go watch that. It's like a huge drone light show, super cool. I've seen videos of it. Stopped at this place to eat. I don't even know what it's called, but I got some like chicken or something. Something light, honestly. I don't really want to eat too heavy yet because I'll probably eat again tonight. Honestly, if I compare it with something, it's like the Burger King chicken fries, but like way better. Back at the hotel, and oh my, the subway station is actually insane. It's probably the most busiest thing I've been in my whole entire life, more than Hong Kong, honestly. And Hong Kong is very busy when it comes to the metro station. But here, like, I'm standing, like, pretend this is someone right here. Literally this close, someone behind me, someone's on my side, both my sides, and it's like, it's crazy. But it's like 7:30. Light show is gonna start at like 9, or the drone show, I should say. So it's about like a 30-minute walk to that spot. It's like the little square that I was at before. All right, made it here. Now we wait for the drone show, which should start in like 20 minutes. All right, I think it's about to start here. You see that? They're sending them up now. Really actually freaking cool. Walking back to the hotel now. What I wanted to show you, how tall my hotel is. So these are the buildings, right? My hotel is this one right here. Probably one of the tallest ones in this area. That looks insane. Crazy, yo. Look how spacious this walk area is as well.